Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can share your threads on Instagram. It's pretty simple. So let's say I like to share this thread from Lolita. So what I need to do is I can click on this little arrow button right below the threads. Once I click on the arrow button, it's going to show me this option called Send on Instagram, Add to Story, Post to Feed. You have three options. Whether you can click on Send on Instagram, and your Instagram will open up, and you can choose from your friends to whom you want to send it to. So I want to send it to these two friends, and I click on, share at the bottom. Then this thread is going to be shared with my friend. So that is how you guys can, share your threads on Instagram, like a message. And if you click on the arrow again on the thread, and click on Add to Story, it's going to take you to your Instagram story, where you guys can add this thread as your story. But I don't want to add it as my story as well, so I'm just going to close it. And if you click on this arrow again, and click on Post to Feed, and this post of thread is going to be posted on your Instagram feed. Basically, like this is what Instagram feed is. Let me show you. So all the picture and video you see over here is my Instagram feed. So that is going to be shared on my feed as well. That's how you guys can share turns on Instagram, your story or message, your feed. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.